Why is Pi special? It is not easy to make a crypto, especially if you are building its own ecosystem. I believe Pi Network is the first crypto to make its own ecosystem. It has the commerce, games, NFT, social, education, health, and travel. What crypto do you know that has this? It has the social forum, its own wallet, and other things that a normal people cannot understand. Even I cannot make my own software of Microsoft Word, just giving an example. So I always say that being a critic is easier than to be a creator or an author. After years of cooking Pi Network since 2019, it focuses on internal ecosystem, which makes it different. Instead of just being a token traded on exchanges, Pi aims to be a currency used with its own economy. This approach suggests a long-term vision of building a functional system where Pi has inherent value because it's used for goods and services rather than relying solely on market speculation. Everything Pi Network has done was carefully planned. Every words on the website, every updates on videos, the words are carefully picked for a small person to understand. And on their website, on the front page, mining crypto is hard, investing crypto is risky, too many of us are left out of the cryptocurrency revolution. See you on my next video.